The ApiJect injector has two main components. You have the blow-fill seal container, which is here, and then a proprietary insulin-style pen needle hub that affixes to the end of the container to make the fully assembled prefilled injector at point of care. The needle hub is made of polypropylene, the hub itself and the cap, and then the stainless steel cannula is assembled and UV glued on the inside of the needle hub component at our partner Tae Chang. There's a bunch of different polymers that can be used for blow-fill seal. It's a pretty diverse or pretty robust platform. We leverage a low-density polyethylene for a number of reasons, not the least of which is its ability to be squeezed. So if you want to have a pre-filled injector out of blow-fill seal, you likely need to be able to squeeze it to deliver an injection. Some of the other benefits of using the low-density polyethylene is early-stage drug development leverages low-density polyethylene bags. So it's a material that most of the API and the drug products are familiar with. We can assume there's not going to be any compatibility challenges as we enter the blow-fill seal process, specifically relating to the polymer itself.